Hello students, today I am going to teach you a very fantastic topic of standard 10 in chemistry. What the name of topic, students? Here the name of the topic is periodic table, and this one is very important topic at the point of board examination, students, as well as any competitive examination also. So let's see this one topic, periodic table. Here periodic table, the question arises here, what do you mean by periodic table? So here see, periodic table. Periodic table, it is a tabular arrangement of elements. I am writing here, it is a tabular arrangement of elements in a group and period. Again I am saying it is a tabular arrangement of elements in a group and period on the basis of physical and chemical properties. Here again I am saying to you, what do you mean by periodic table? It is a tabular arrangement. It means that whenever we arrange the element in a tabular manner, so then we say that it is a what? Arrangement of the elements. In where? In a group as well as in period. On what basis we arrange? We arrange on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. Now here when I am saying the arrangement of the elements, and the scientists, the Lavoisiers, who just give the term elements. So what we are arranging here? We are arranging the elements where? In a PT. How? In a group and period. So here it is very important to know what is group and what is period, because a lots of students confuse in group and period. Let's see. First, group means what? Vertical column, that is top to bottom, top to bottom. When I am saying that whenever the elements were arranging top to bottom, then it is said to be vertical column. And this vertical column, that is top to bottom, is termed as group. And how many group? 18 group in PT. Now, second one is period. Horizontal row. Horizontal row. That is left to right. When I am saying left to right in a PT, then what it means? It means that horizontal row, and this horizontal row is termed as period. And how many period in PT? 7 period. In a modern periodic table, I am telling you concept of modern periodic table, that is 18 vertical column, that is group, and 7 horizontal row, that is period. So again I am saying, what do you mean by periodic table? It is a tabular arrangement. Means what? The arrangement of elements on the basis of their physical and chemical properties. How? In a group and a period. So I hope this term is clear. What do you mean by periodic table? Now, here I am just going to tell about some history of the periodic table. Let's see. The scientist, might you hear the name of scientist? The name of the scientist is Daubigny. Clear? So Daubigny's triads. Firstly, let's see what the Daubigny triads So just that, what the Dobenier triads, how the elements were arranged, let's see here. As you already know, students, triad means what? Grouping of three elements. And Dobenier triads arrange the Dobenier. Just I'm writing here the name of the scientist, Dobenier triads. Dobenier is the name of the scientist, and triad means what? Grouping of three elements. Grouping of three elements. Grouping of three elements. So the Dobenier triads arrange the elements on the basis of their atomic masses. How? Let's see. I'm giving example. Lithium atomic mass, that is 7. Radium, it means beta mange car safari bap raji. This way you learn the PT, learn all the elements where they belongs in a group. This one. Now, this one element is also termed as what? Alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. These all are alkaline earth metal. Here I am saying alkaline earth metal. It means what? Mostly the elements were extracted from the earth crust. So that's why I am saying this all element is termed as alkaline earth metal. Now, after knowing these all things, we go in a group. The group number is 12. And what the element that's belong in a group 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, and finally that is what? 18 group of the elements. Let's see. In a 12th, the first member of the family, that is what? A boron family. Clear? So that's why I'm saying boron family, because the first element is called boron. So what the tricks to learn there? Bagan, aloo, gajar in thela. Bagan, aloo, gajar in thela. How you learn? B for boron, aloo, Al for aluminium, gajar, Ga for gallium, In, indium, and Ts for thallium. So bagan, aloo, gajar in thela, that belongs to the 12th group of the element. Getting? Now, in 13th group of the element, what the family called? The family called their nitrogen family. Why I am saying nitrogen family? Because the first element there is what? Nitrogen. So that's why I am saying nitrogen family. What the element is be there? Let's see by tricks. Nepal, Pakistan, Australia, sab bhikhari. Nepal, N for nitrogen. Pakistan, P I am saying there. P for there is what? Phosphorus. Australia, AS, arsenic. SB, strontium, sub bhikhari, Bi, bismuth. That belongs to all 13th group of the element. Now 14th group of the element, that is called what? Carbon family. Why I am saying carbon family? Because the first element there is what? Carbon. So that's why I am saying that's belong to carbon family. What the trick to learn? Kahe Sita ji suno Prabhu. Ka, carbon. Kahe Sita ji. S, Kahe Sita ji. Si, silicon. Ge, germanium. Suno Prabhu, Sn, strontium. Prabhu, Pb, lead. In this way you learn. Now, the 15th group of the element, that is oxygen family. Oxygen family, why I am saying? Because that all elements will, that the first element there is what? Oxygen. So that's why I am saying what? Oxygen family. Old style se tipo. Means what? Old style se tipo. It means that the O for oxygen, style Se, selenium, old style S for sulfur, old style Se, selenium, Te, tellurium, and Po, polonium. Old style se tipo. And now that is what? 17 group of the element. The term 17 group of element, that is what? Halogen family. that all elements belong to what? Halogens group. The name of the element is there: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and antacid. How you learn this all elements? फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and antacid. And the last group of the element, that is what? Noble gas. Also you termed as what? Rare gas. Zero group of the elements. That all elements belong in the 18th group. The trick is there to learn that all very elements. What are they? Just you see their name firstly. That is a helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. How you learn these all elements? Hina, Nina, or Karina ki Xerox Rani. When I am saying the 18th group of element, when I am saying which one group? 18th group of element. 18th group. That is a zero group element. What are they? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. These all elements belong to the 18th group. That is a noble gas, rare gas. It fulfills the inert gas electronic configuration. That is octet. And in next videos, friends, I'm told you in the next video about the periodic properties of the elements. Thank you for watching.